Good morning, you guys. This is what we are doing first thing in the, or should I say we were coloring. See all our monster truck stuff. Ryan loves monster trucks, so we're going to the monster truck show today, later on today. So they're down there coloring. But the hubby is getting the room together. We had a mold issue. So he cut out the wall, he took out the molded insulation. It's been a couple of weeks actually, because we had to kill the mold spores, so he continuously sprayed bleach on it. So now the walls are clean, and he's going ahead and closing the wall back up. So of course this is just the basic pink wall insulation, or really any type of insulation that you can get from any hardware store. I see he has two different kinds. I really don't know what's the difference because it's another one sitting over there. So I wonder, is one better than the other, like with keeping moisture out? As you're watching this video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Or should I say like and subscribe? Share it after. All right, y'all, it's late, but we wanted to show y'all the progress on our wall, the wall that was, y'all hear Asia? The wall that that my husband had to cut out because of the mold and all of that. So finally, like I said, made some progress with it. Let me show you. All right, so he sanded it. This wall is not finished because he has to finish sanding it, and then I'll paint it. But he went ahead and filled in the wall with the insulation and did all the electrical back up, and I painted it. And seeing that Lowe's helped me pick out the color, so I was trying to match the colors. Lowe's helped me pick out the color, but the color was off. So the top is a little bit darker. You probably can't even see it, and then it's shadows and everything. But the top is a little bit darker than the bottom. So this is the paint, the Valspar. It says Windstorm. So the color is Windstorm. And it was not the right color. So I ended up having to paint the entire wall instead of just a section. But anyways, so like I said, once he finishes that over there, see all this stuff we got going on. But anyways, once he finishes that wall over there, then I'll paint it and we'll be done with this down here. And then we just have to do some other areas in the house, and then
we'll be ready to sell.
Yep, we'll be ready to sell. And
hey, that's another story. Cause I see you over there. All the
well, I did a little bit in another video, but it's still, you know, we still trying to hold it in. It's another story. But all right, make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe to our videos. We'll catch y'all later. Good night.